Alright, what's going on, everyone? This is Clayton Youngberg coming at you from AndroidAuthority.com, the #1 website for all things Android. And if you've been playing the Dead Trigger game at all, or watching our recent videos, you know that it has some optimizations for the Tegra 3 quad-core processor. Now that can be found in the LG Optimus 4X HD, the Nexus 7 tablet, the Asus Transformer Prime, and it's really nice to have the optimizations in the game. It adds some nice flavor to the game, some water effects, ragdoll effects for the zombies, and just an all-around better experience. But there is a way to enable those on non-Tegra 3 devices. So really quickly, we'll just go into our game. I'll show you exactly what I mean by the differences. Go ahead and click the main quest and accept. And I'll just point out some of the areas that are lacking the Tegra 3 enhancements. By the way, we are using our quad-core Cortex A9 in our Samsung Galaxy S3. This is our international version. And as you can see, right when we walk in this hallway, usually there is a bunch of water right here on the ground. Also, there'll be steam coming out of the walls here. And then a lot of times when you go through the different passageways, there is water that drops down on you. And also when you shoot the zombies, a ragdoll effect happens. But anyways, what we were going to do to enable the Tegra 3 graphics on the non-Tegra 3 device, are we going to exit the game. We'll want to make sure the game's not running at all. So we're going to kill the application. Then we can set our phone down for a minute. What we're going to need is a root file explorer like ES File Explorer. We're going to need a rooted device, so if you have a Galaxy S3 and it's not rooted, go ahead and check out our How to Root video, and we have how to root videos for other devices. If you think your device is capable and it's rooted, go ahead and try this mod. But anyways, we're going to need the ES File Explorer. We can use any Explorer that we want, but we need to have one that can actually edit text files. So we're going to go into the ES File Explorer. And okay, we're going to go into our settings after that. Now we're going to go to the Root Explorer, only for rooted devices there. And we will grant it permission. So also within the settings, we're going to enable the up to root directory. That's going to allow us to get past the actual just searching in the SD card. So we're just in the SD card now, and we can go up. So now we're in the root directory. We're going to want to go to data. And data again. Okay, so once we're in data, we're going to need to navigate to the com.madfingergames.deadtrigger. Then we'll go to shared prefs. We need to open the com.madfingergames.deadtrigger.xml. We need to open that as a text file with the ES Note editor. Okay, so once we're in the com.madfingergames.deadtrigger.xml, we're going to be looking for the Unity graphics quality value. We're going to change the value from 0, or it may be 1, to 2. Then we need to scroll down, find the graphics detail here, and change that value. That will be 2 or 0, and we can change that to 3. Now we need to press menu and click save. It is saved successfully. Okay, then we're going to go back, and we will long press on the file. We need to click Properties. And then after we click Properties, we need to go to Changes. And then we need to deselect the Write functionality. And now I changed the permissions to actually save the preferences of the changes we've made. And then another thing you can do is go back, and then we can actually delete or move the com.madfingergames.deadtrigger.xml.bak, and once we delete that, we will have our finalized changes. So now that that's deleted, we'll go back. We're going to go into our Dead Trigger game, check out the changes we've made. Go into our level here. Now as you can see, we have our water, which only comes with the Tegra 3 graphics usually, and we also have our steam coming from there. We'll walk through, cap a few zombies, show you the ragdoll effects. So we got our ragdoll effects with the zombies now. We'll no-scope this fool. And then we'll find another little Tegra enhancement here in just a second. I'll go to where the water drips down and we can actually see that. So as we walk through here, we can see that our water is dripping down and our Cortex A9 performs beautifully under these settings. Can definitely handle the load that the Tegra 3 usually does. But anyways, guys, that was our mod. Go ahead and try it out on your own phone. You'll be able to play the full game as it was meant to be played on the Tegra 3 without the need of the Tegra 3. And stay tuned to AndroidAuthority.com, guys. We got a lot more mods, reviews, and everything Android coming at you.